The love I have for you cannot be expressed by mere words. There are so many persons in the world, yet none can be compared to how loving and caring you are. Here is a message to let you know that you are the most special person I have going through this life is journey with you has made me a better person, and there is nothing I will don't do to keep our love moving forward. When the time comes, I want you to look at me and tell others that yes, there exists a thing that can be called true and sincere love. I hurt you really much, babe. Having a sweetheart that is as loving as you are is what makes me feel happy and strong. You have always been there for me in times that I am weak and confused. You have always been there for me in times that I need a listening ear. You have always been there for me in times that I want companionship. There is nothing that can be used in describing the kind of love you have always shown to me, and I have just one decision to make to love you more. You are amazing, and I will always treat you like the very best that you are. I love you really much, dear. Going through each day with your love and care makes me feel happier. There is nothing that makes me smile more than the feeling I get whenever I think about how amazing and loving you are. Amongst a thousand persons, I will do always choose you. Your love is the most amazing and incredible thing that has ever happened to me, and I will love you through the best way that I can. Here is a message to assure you that you are loved beyond what words can tell you. On my whole heart, baby, writing this message to you makes me feel so glad you are Love has turned my life into a paradise I never dreamed of having some. No doubt that when one has true love, everything changes for good in you. I have seen all these great things happen. There is no single night I sleep without dreaming about you. There is no morning I wake without having thoughts about you first before anything else. Sincerely, your love is worth more than everything I have feared, and I promise to do more. You mean the whole world to me, sweetheart. I love you so much. There is no single word that can be able to express the depth of my love for you. You have captured my heart in waves that I cannot even think about anything else. Loving you has been a blessing to me, and I will always adore you with everything I have. You on my whole heart, Hanian. Thanks for watching video.